Hey guys, welcome to Geek Slider. My name is Ronnie. So I'm making this video after a long period of time, and this video is primarily to announce that I am starting up a new series known as Leetcode for Noobs by Noob. So in this particular series, what I'm trying to do is I'll be solving the Leetcode questions from easy to hard mode. So and like it would be for absolute noobs and like this for programming, and this series is especially for those who have zero knowledge of data structures and algorithm. And when I speak of zero knowledge, I expect a little or a basic understanding of what is data structures algorithm. Like for example, you should at least know the names of some of the data structures algorithm like components. Like you should at least know the name. Not it is not necessary that you know the in-depth concepts, but at least the name you would have heard if you would have completed at least a semester back at your engineering colleges, so you should be very well acquainted with that. So if you can see here, I would be starting from the absolute scratch, and I this video series is also targeted to those who are having a very basic knowledge of this. I am not targeting this to any advanced knowledge persons. And some of the, I mean, in this series, I would be doing hard work for myself, and I expect all the viewers also to do little bit of hard work. And only three rules are there. The rules are you should have a basic programming knowledge of Python. So this should be necessary, and you should, as I told earlier, you should have heard of data structures and algorithm, and you should third one is you should know how to use Google. For example, I would be putting up a couple of links for each videos related content. Like suppose for one video, one question, I would be using some algorithm, so I would be posting the links below the video so that you can click it and know it. And if you don't know anything, you should also be willing to do the extra hard work of searching that stuff online. So moving ahead, what I can't promise from this video is I can't promise regular videos because I am a working professional, and for each video I would be just focusing on an individual questions, and I won't be like doing the advanced stuff. And third one is fast progression is not possible in these videos, and you should not utilize these videos for attending your just before your exams. So my target is not that. My target is for only those people who are who have a very basic understanding of DS and algo, and they are afraid of DS and algo and they want to improve it. So I would be starting from the absolute scratch. Just that you need to know a basic knowledge of what is Python and what is data structures and algorithm. And you should be willing to Google everything up and try to understand. Or like that is my like main aim. By the end of this series, I expect myself to be a better person in understanding data structures and algorithm, and I hope that whoever is watching and uh, joining me in this journey would also be getting use out of it. So because I am totally posting it on YouTube publicly that I am learning this stuff, and I am not an pro person in this particular thing, because what I focused majorly in my engineering program 4-year course was totally on Linux, Python, like Linux and security engineer. So right now I'm a security engineer, but my I don't have in-depth knowledge of data structures and algorithm. And if you ask me what is my biggest fear in you know what like every person would be feared of this DS and algo, right? Because they would think like this is something very hard and all, but I don't believe anything is hard in this world. You just need to invest your time on that. So I am facing this thing head on facing this, what to say, one of my fears head on and trying to post videos regularly so that I get reminded that I need to work hard on this thing. So I'll meet you guys in the next video when I start with the basic questions. See you then. Bye.